Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by making sure Chrome is current and your profile is safe. You want the latest fixes, so go to Menu Help about Google Chrome and Update. Once done, back up your user data folder or confirm sync with your Google account so you can revert if needed. Now open Settings and jump straight to Appearance. That's where the Light Theme, Theme Store, and Key Display options live. These steps ensure you won't lose bookmarks or extensions during the visual change. You will set Chrome's visual mode and stop automatic dark overrides. First, choose the light theme under Settings Appearance or install an official white theme from the Chrome Web Store. Next, type Chrome//flags and search for Auto Dark Mode for web contents. Set it to disabled and relaunch so sites render in their original light styles. Make sure any dark theme extensions are turned off or uninstalled, and clear site-specific themes in the site settings. This prevents parts of pages from staying dark despite the browser theme. Finish by relaunching Chrome and scanning the new tab, menus, and several websites to confirm the white appearance is consistent. If you still see dark areas, try Chrome//settings/reset to restore default settings or create a fresh Chrome profile to isolate the issue. Make sure your operating system isn't forcing dark mode. Turn OS dark mode off or adjust per app appearance settings. If problems persist, temporarily disable all extensions to find the culprit. Once identified, remove or update that extension to keep Chrome white.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.